Dr. Blumenthal back with you. Natural Transplants. We're here in the DC office, and we're excited. We got Shahbiz today. Shahbiz, welcome, man.
Yeah, good to be here.
We appreciate you doing this for everybody. Thank you so much. Let everybody know, sort of, first of all, how you found us and what we're doing for you today.
Yeah, so I did a lot of research to kind of find the right clinic for me, and talked a lot. Did a few consultations, and then the one with you, I was like, all right, this is my guy.
Yeah, that was it.
So then, kind of, it was a smooth process, and we're doing the HUE Plus procedure.
Yep.
So
we're going big today.
We're going big today.
Awesome.
So I'm excited about it.
Excellent. And you win the best dressed award today. You do not have to dress this nice. Most people come in sweatpants and that sort of stuff. So, but this is just how he rolls. So that's fine. So I'm gonna have Saul zoom in here. I should just walk in. And then he hides it pretty well, but when we pull it back, he does have some decent recession up in the corners. Even the front, the center part is recessed as well too. Both sides, obviously. And then I'm gonna spin you around. We're gonna look at the crown. The crown is a little thin. Look up for me if you don't mind, Shahbiz. Yep, there you go. And so we're gonna hit the center part of the crown as well too. So like I said, we're gonna get the plus today and take care of priority number 1. Most likely is up here. We'll talk about it. Priority 2 probably in the crown. We'll draw it all out and come back and check on it. Sound good? Cool. Awesome. All right, we are back. We have drawn out the line, as you can see. We both are in love with the line. It looks great. And so priority number 1 is going to be the front, the hairline, front third area. We're not going to go into that center kind of peninsula. It's still a little too thick up in there. And then I'm going to come around, and we got the crown, and that's going to be priority number 2. And we're going to go for the plus procedure. We got a couple Valium on board. You feeling all right?
Good.
Ready to rock and roll?
Ready to rock
all
and
right,
roll.
let's do this. All right, we're back with Shahbiz. How are you, man?
I'm doing
All
good.
right. We finished part 1 and part 2. We had a little lunch break.
Yeah.
And we're on the last part here, part 3. You guys are starting to place all the grafts. You have any pain, any discomfort?
No, nothing at all.
Awesome. You look good. You look comfortable. And we'll check on you at the end.
Sounds good.
All right, we are back, Shahbiz. We did it, man. Congratulations.
I know, we did it.
Tell everybody how it went today.
It went really well. Honestly, it was a breeze. The numbing process, a little pinch, but anything after that, honestly, it was a breeze.
You did great, man.
It was a ton of fun.
Cool.
Honestly.
Saw some Breaking Bad.
Yeah.
Had a little lunch.
Yeah.
You dozed off for a little bit. It was fun.
Yeah.
And most importantly, we did a great job. It was just fantastic.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have Saul zoom in here, and we just crushed it. I love the line on you. Again, nice and youthful, but looks great. Nice and symmetric. I'm gonna spin you around. Look up just a little bit for me, and then we did the crown as well too. We really crushed it. So I love it, man.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you for doing this. Any words of advice to anybody out there, either yourself, 3 years ago, yourself or somebody out there that's kind in about it or on the fence? What would you recommend? What would you tell them?
It's not that bad, guys. Trust me, it's not that bad at all. We psych it up, but truly, it's you
hear those 1 and 2 horror stories, and people stress about it.
Yeah,
99.9% of my patients afterwards say it just wasn't that big a deal.
It's not a big deal. Yeah, truly.
Cool. I love it, man.
So,
congratulations. Welcome to the family. Yeah. Hopefully we'll follow you along, over the year, and then hopefully we can see a year from now.
The results.
Amazing hair. All right. Sounds good. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.